Hello guys, welcome to another video. Many of us love reading books, but it is difficult always to find out which page did we read last and from where we have to start today. So bookmarking is very important. So there are a lot of bookmarks available in the shops, but they are very expensive. There is no need to spend money to buy a bookmark. We can make it for ourselves, just like this. I will teach you very simple. Take a piece of small paper, okay, equal sides. Just fold it in the middle, just like this. Just fold it and then open it and do it in the another direction. So first we fold this way, then we fold this way. Now fold it on one particular side and then fold it like this, the backwards, like this. Then take this piece, put it up there, take this piece, put it up here. Okay, I'll show you one more time. Just fold it this way, only one side of the paper, just fold it backwards, then this one here, then the opposite one here. Now just do this, just fold it inside so that it sticks strong. That's it. Now we can take a notebook, we can try it, take a page, just put it right there. That's it. That's all. It's done. Simple bookmarks. So when next time we want to open a page, simple. Try it for yourself and let me know in the comments. Do you have any other skill to do with the paper? Share it with me. Good day.